First, apply force to lift the wheel cover. Then, remove the 2 screws securing the wheels. Remove the 4 screws. Take out the bottom shell decorative cover plate. Remove this screw. Take out the large gear. Repeat the same steps on the other side. Next, invert the machine and remove the screws securing the top and bottom covers. Remove the 4 screws. Remove the 2 screws located under the brush. If it's too challenging, consider removing the brush cover first. After removing the 6 screws, you can take off the top cover.